Hey YouTube, I'm just taking a stroll here in my field, and today I just want to make an announcement just to let you all know that in the following week, starting this Saturday on the 26th of September, we're going to be hosting live Q&As about some of the modules of our full agroforestry course. So if you haven't taken that course yet, do it now. I'm going to be posting the cards in a bit. So our course is comprised of 5 modules. The 2 first modules are introductions, and then the third one is about the principles of agroforestry. There's a card right here, and that's the first Q&A we're going to have. So we're going to be live with you answering questions that you might have about the principles of agroforestry. Then on Wednesday, on the 30th of September, we will be talking about the 4th module, which is about the techniques of agroforestry. Here's the card, so make sure you watch it, and we're going to be live on Wednesday answering questions. And then on the other Saturday, that's on the 3rd of October, we will be answering questions about the 5th module, which is the practical activity, where we take you through an actual implementation of an agroforestry plot. And so here's the card to the module. Make sure you join the Facebook group, because we're going to be giving priority to those questions sent to us beforehand in the Facebook group. So send in your questions there, and we will be live with you soon enough. So that's an opportunity for to make sure that you do watch the course and send us your questions so that we have a nice live chat with you about it. All right, so I'll see you all on Saturday. Be in peace.